So because our traffic lights are red, theirs will be green. Now each light that you see, that you go ahead, we can see the van, the lorry. We're taking the third exit right. So we check our mirrors, signals, all nice and slow as we go around. As you turn to right, go into lane 1 first. That's it, nice and slow. Look at your red lights. That's fine. And now when your lights go green, the lights behind you, theirs will already be green. So be careful when you go into your lane, just in case somebody's accelerating. So when your lights go green, the one on your left, theirs will go red. Now we can go, our lights are green, so we go into lane 1 and we check our right door mirror and we carry on in our lane. And that's a signal control roundabout. Sometimes the part signal control, meaning half of the roundabout, sometimes the full signal controlled, like this one here. We're now following the signs for Horsforth train station. You'll see the sign in a few moments after the green sign, which is telling you about your lane positioning. So we'll be turning left at the second lights. So we'll go behind the black car, this one here. And we can see the sign on the left there telling us Horsforth train station. It's left at these lights. And now we're looking at our mirrors continuously as we're looking ahead for any approaching cyclists, especially on your left. Now, as you turn into that road, watch out for an ambulance coming down the road. And while you're looking, look past the last white car on the left. Can you see it there? That's where the road narrows. So if there was a big lorry coming down, you'd need to slow down. That's good. Now adjust your speed for the road that you're on. Consider stopping if you need to. Keep slowing down for this big Volvo. Now carry on, feet safe. And this is the expectation on a driving test. Like, he's coming ridiculously fast, that car. That car was coming too fast. They should have done what you did there. Half the space, half your speed. So we're following the road ahead. You've got half the space. So 20 is good, 15 is good. This is fine what you're doing. That's fine. Once your obstruction disappears, then gently increase your speed with a rear view mirror check first. That's good. Keep it on the learner car on your left. Continue following the road ahead. Excellent. And that's exactly what they expect you to do. Perfect, well done. Keep reducing, because there's another lorry coming up. So for the really big one, that was excellent what you did. For the almost big one, should have reduced it a little bit more as well. That must be a real rubbish job. That joke. And now you have the same problem again, so reduce your speed because we can't see where we're going and we can't see what's coming toward. That's fine. That's too close to the parked car, okay? So what you should have done was stopped a bit further back, maybe another 2 car spaces back. The next time you stop, when you need to stop, stop 2 car spaces back. And because you can't see around the corner, adjust your speed accordingly. That's fine. Good. As we follow the road ahead, that's nice. You can go now, you can go. As we follow the road ahead, we're then going to get to a roundabout. The sign on the left is telling you it's a fast moving roundabout. We're going to take the fourth exit, which is a right turn down by the Hard Acres and House of Coffee. Good. That's fine. So one exit done. Nice and gentle with your steering, okay? Two done. Steer a little bit to my side. That's it. And this is the exit you want. And now make sure your speed's adjusted for the road that you're on. You may need to stop for this lady, okay? Now carry on if you think it's safe. Then stop. That's fine. Otherwise you'll get too close to the lorry. So what you're doing there is fine, you're slowing down because he's coming up. I understand that's completely fine. And now go. So in terms of stopping, that was correct what you did, but try and stop a bit earlier so it's clearer what you're intending to do. Continue following the road ahead. Take the next road on the right, this one here. As you're going into the road, make sure you look to the top of the road that you're going into, okay? That's fine. And then if there's anyone coming down from the top of the road, you'll need to stop because the obstructions are on your side. Looks good, let's go, let's move across. Because that red car is quite far, okay? Keep this speed, so if you do see him and he doesn't see you, you've got time to respond. There you are, perfect.